Hi guys, thanks for tuning on in for today's video. If you are new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty, where we discuss a lot of makeup, a lot of beauty. We will be talking about some other things in the future, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of wellness, something for you guys, but I have to move first before I do any of that and like get a different filming setup. So if you're new, thanks for stopping by and checking out my content. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. I do appreciate the support. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment any questions or just, comment feedback, whatever. Even if you just want to say hi, comment that down below. I enjoy talking with you guys. And what else? Notifications bell. If you're into that, go ahead and click that bell down there. I upload about twice a week. So if you would like to see what I post when I post it and get a little notification, hit that bell. All right, so today I would consider it a beginner friendly video, and that's like not a diss at anyone. Like at some point we all had to learn how to get into makeup, right? So I was thinking the other day, I was in Sephora just killing time, wasting money, as I like to say, and I was checking out, and I'd thrown something in my cart, and I asked her about the mascara that I bought. It is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I don't care anything about the cannabis oil that's in it. I was just, like I said, killing time, wasting money. Threw it in the cart, went to check out, and I asked the lady, actually no, I didn't have it in my cart yet. I was checking out, I had a whole bunch of other stuff. I was buying a gift for my friend, buying some toothpaste stuff, and I bought, this is what I had in my cart. It's the Flex Concealer, which I do like. And I asked her about the mascara. I was like, hey, what do you think about this? I use the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit, and I really like it. So we're talking about it, and she said that she loved this Milk mascara. It was more volumizing, and she was like, it really adds volume to your lashes. And I was like, okay, say no more. So I ran to go get it, and I came back and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be using this mascara all the time. I already use it in a Get Ready With Me. It should be live by the time that this goes up. So if you watch the last couple of videos that I've been doing, you'll see it at some point. So anywho, long story short, I was thinking to myself, like, how can I just bought a product, like, how can I turn this into a video? When you do YouTube, you don't really want to just buy a whole bunch of extra stuff that doesn't have additional value add, because then you're just, yeah, you buy stuff for you sometimes, but I like to buy stuff I can make videos out of, in full honesty. So I was thinking, for a lot of people that get into makeup, it is really hard to see wear tests for certain products, because like, who's gonna get on here and make a video about a mascara? Like, that usually doesn't happen. You usually don't see products for, reviews for like mascara or just single lip shades. And I have done compilation videos of lip shades in the past. They're like hella old though, so if you want to go through all my videos, you can see it. So anywho, I was like, all right, let's just try and make this a little bit more informative for someone that's getting into makeup and is interested in mascara, but they might not know like really what a volumizing mascara looks like and what a lengthening mascara looks like. So that's what I'm doing. If you kind of like these videos, definitely comment down below, because I can do different versions. I can show you like what a bronzer looks like versus a contour, and get creative and kind of think of stuff like that. So like I said, this is more beginner friendly. I'm also just going to show you two different mascaras. So if you want to see how these look on someone's eyes, here you go. All right, so I'm going to start with the lengthening mascara. This is my all-time favorite. I highly recommend it. This is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So I'm gonna probably zoom in for this part, but a lengthening mascara does just that. It lengthens your lashes, and I'll show you the the wand in a minute. I have really long lashes, so I really don't care about the lengthening component. I just like this formula. So you can see my lashes instantly look longer. I have found, I have a ton of mascaras, that typically the wand on a lengthening mascara, it's like kind of, the bristles aren't like thick and chunky, which you would see in a volumizing mascara. Like, they tend to be thinner, maybe a little bit longer. Even if they're short and spiky, they're a little bit more separated, not so close together. So that is the volumizing, that is the lengthening mascara. I will show you the wand on the volumizing mascara. Now I need a lot of volume, so you can see like that is just super thick, super chunky. The bristles are really close together. All right, so let me show you the difference. So you can see it's definitely not lengthening them as much. they just look like the base looks really thick near where my eyes are. And I feel like with a lot of volumizing mascaras, you do get a little bit of more curling out of them than I would with a lengthening mascara. So, I mean, that's pretty much the video. Like I said, this is just supposed to be beginner friendly and just kind of showing you guys what the difference is. Okay, I'm gonna even them out so you guys can see when you combine them, because she also does this. You get like crazy lashes. They're just really pretty. So I'm gonna even them out. I've got like some important stuff I gotta do today, so I can't go to the office looking crazy. Okay, I won't even out the bottom. Those look fine. Also, I am doing a wear test today for the Benefit, what is it, Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. So that is what I have on my face. I'm also using the Milk Flex Concealer and the, what is this, Touch in Sol No Pore Bloom. I think that's like the stupidest name. Anywho, I'm using their primer. So I have used these, like I said, in the past couple of videos. Check them out if you would like to see them in action. But that is the video, guys. Let me know if you thought this was helpful, or if there, like I said, there are other things that you guys want to see. I'm more than happy to do it. But that is it. So until next time, take care. I will see you guys later. Bye.